Dogecoin. Doge performed so well in 2023 that it became one of the most looked-through digital forms of money in many regions of the planet, in any event, beating Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. Also, presently numerous financial backers are hopping overwhelmed with passion to find out what is Dogecoin. What's more, would it be a good idea for me to purchase Dogecoin? We should investigate Dogecoin's ongoing cost today and Dogecoin's market cap before we plunge into our Dogecoin cost expectations for 2023 to 2030. As indicated by our drawn-out estimates, Dogecoin will reach 12 cents toward the finish of 2023 and 21 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin will then ascend to 57 cents in 2028 and $1.45 in 2030. In any case, how reasonable are these convictions? On the off chance that you've at any point pondered, is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Or for what reason is Dogecoin going up? Read on, we have replies. We'll investigate probably the latest Doge value forecasts to perceive how much the image crypto may be worth, somewhere in the range of 2023 and 2025. All in all, what is Dogecoin generally anticipated to reach? All things considered, Dogecoin's possibilities are looking uncommonly encouraging. Here are a portion of the achievements Doge United States dollar will hit before the decade's end, as per our conjectures. End of 2023. As the market works on in 2023, Dogecoin is supposed to hit a high of 12 cents. End of 2025. By 2025, a critical increment is identified as Dogecoin speeds up reception, taking Doge United States dollar to 21 cents at the most noteworthy. End of 2030. $10 per Doge could be well and really passed by 2030, as Dogecoin focuses on a high of $1.45. Dogecoin is likewise a lot simpler for normal clients to grasp in a world progressively about savvy contract stages and DeFi, decentralized finance. Dogecoin essentially means to work with exchanges and isn't expecting to update our whole monetary framework. Doge is at times addressed by the D image and can be partitioned into 1/1,000,000th of a coin. There is no maximum stock of Dogecoin that can exist, and that implies that Dogecoin is inflationary and misses the mark on shortage factor that Bitcoin has. Contingent upon your perspective, you could consider this to be either a positive or a negative. Read more. What is Dogecoin? Doge. Would it be a good idea for you put resources into Doge? Historical Dogecoin. Doge value developments. Analyzing the previous presentation of a cryptographic money is one of the main moves toward take in the event that you're searching for the top cryptos to put resources into. So we should investigate how the cost of Dogecoin Doge has changed previously. As one of the earliest altcoins, Dogecoin existed before the idea ICOs, introductory coin contributions. What cost did Dogecoin start? As per CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin initially began exchanging at $0.0002. What is Dogecoin's greatest cost? At the exceptionally most elevated, Dogecoin came to $0.7376 on the 8th of May 2021. What is Dogecoin's most minimal value? At the exceptionally least, Dogecoin hit $0.00008547 on the 7th of May 2015. Like a significant part of the crypto market, Dogecoin's greatest year was 2021, beginning 2021 at $0.005685. Dogecoin came to $0.1705 toward December's end. 2022 was challenging for a large portion of the digital currencies. Doge began the year at 17 cents and shut it at 7 cents. Dogecoin value forecasts long-haul viewpoint as a drawn-out venture. It is projected that Dogecoin could perform much better. As per forecasts, the worth of the Dogecoin token could ascend to 12 cents in 2023 and accomplish a mean cost of 21 cents by 2025. As well as examining Dogecoin's verifiable costs, it's critical to distinguish the key factors that could influence its cost from here on out. This will make it simpler for you to make your own expectations in view of current digital money patterns and find an educated response to the inquiry, would it be a good idea for me? I put resources into Dogecoin. Maybe the greatest deterrent Dogecoin faces is Shiba Inu, which, in spite of the fact that it is more youthful and has less help with regards to clients, is based on the Ethereum blockchain, which implies it can uphold shrewd agreements, and it has previously constructed a DEX, decentralized trade. Highlights like this could give Shiba Inu an upper hand over Dogecoin. On a semi-related issue, Dogecoin is confirmation of work, and we are beginning to see financial backers and crypto merchants create some distance from this agreement component to evidence of stake, which is viewed as better in the long haul. This is a direct result of the great energy prerequisites to work verification of work. which have frightened lawmakers, earthy people, and even organizations. This could truly intend that over the long haul, Dogecoin might leave design. Dogecoin will likewise have to keep up with its steadfast fanbase until the end of the 10 years too. Once more, this comes likewise under danger from Shiba Inu. To do this, it necessitates to remain profoundly popular and a pleasant method for utilizing digital currency, which could be difficult to do. Another subject worth considering is Elon Musk. Will his help keep on assisting Doge with arriving at new levels, or will it make the contrary difference? Moreover, it's likewise worth investigating the chance of Musk assuming command over Dogecoin's turn of events. Could this be something to be thankful for or something terrible? We definitely realize that he has offered help before in 2019. Yet was dismissed by the engineers. Could this change? Maybe the greatest issue that should be tended to in the following couple of years, which will definitely influence Doge value expectations, is the specialized side. Dogecoin is seldom refreshed, which could turn into a security issue. On the off chance that an imperfection was ever to be uncovered, it could prompt Dogecoin getting hacked and financial backers losing their Doge. Dogecoin has shown that it is as yet a strong speculation decision. Be that as it may, Dogecoin stays one of the most unpredictable cryptographic forms of money available. Financial backers who know how to exploit Dogecoin's wild value swings can profit from claiming Doge as either a present moment, 1 year, or long haul, 5 to 10 years, speculation. Here are our Dogecoin cost conjectures for 2023 to 2030. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. 2023 may see crypto guideline begin to find the market, which could be either positive or negative news for Dogecoin. During this time, the maximum transient Dogecoin forecast is 12 cents, and the min expectation is 6 cents. A typical cost of 9 cents is determined for 2023. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. Dogecoin's client base will be essentially bigger by 2024, in the event that everything goes to design, expecting a 2024 high of 16 cents. Our Doge United States dollar cost expectation likewise gauges a normal of 13 cents for the year. Dogecoin will areas of strength for hold $0.1 at the most minimal. On the off chance that you're pondering would it be advisable for me I put resources into Dogecoin? Momentary cryptographic money expectations are very certain. The expectations for 2023 and 2024 territory from under 7 cents to around 16 cents. In the event that you favor a drawn-out financial planning technique, we should investigate the Dogecoin cost estimates for 2025 and then some. What might we at some point hope to find in the long haul? Dogecoin value conjecture 2025 and then some. As additional individuals purchase Dogecoin, more administrations will begin to offer Doge as an installment technique, expanding its utility in 2025. Long haul 2025 Dogecoin cost expectations predict a normal of 18 cents, a high of 21 cents, and a low of 15 cents. 2026 will see Dogecoin at long last become perceived as a serious